of Class 7D, along with the members of my class, are wishing you a very cheerful morning. Today, we are going to present an assembly on theme Children's Day. Prayer purifies our mind and soul. Start your day with a positive attitude and always smile to the world. So, let's start our day with the prayer of Supreme Authority. Now, I would like to invite Anish Garg to sing national song.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sukhalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Sasya Shyamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubha Jyosna Pulakitayamini, Ullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini, Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini, Sukhadam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Now, I would like to invite Khushi Mittal to sing Gayatri Mantra. So, join your hands for Gayatri Mantra. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru believed that the children are like buds in a garden and should be lovingly and carefully nurtured as they are the future of the nation and citizens of the tomorrow. As Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru loved the children, he raised the importance of the children's education very well. Children's Day is celebrated in the whole country on 14th of November. Now, I call upon my friend Hridaya to speak few lines on Children's Day and Pandit Nehru.
Greetings to everyone gathered here on the occasion of Children's Day, respected teachers and my dear friends. Children's Day is celebrated every year on 14th November. This day is also known as Bal Divas. Bal in Hindi means a child and Divas means a day. This day is also celebrated in honor to celebrate the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was fondly called Chacha Nehru by children. He had a special connection with them and was affectionate in their company. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad. He breathed his last in 1964. A resolution was passed in order to celebrate his birthday as Children's Day or Bal Divas, where all can revisit the child in them and celebrate their childlike qualities and remember the importance of keeping them intact.
Now, I would like to invite some of my friends to speak some thoughts.
Hoping this special day will bring happiness into the lives of all the beautiful children in this world.
Every child is a miracle with each having their own ways. Make this world a beautiful place for us. Happy Children's Day to every child in the world.
Childhood is all about being wild, having fun, and enjoying a carefree life. Enjoy your childhood till it lasts. Happy Children's Day.
Childhood is an enchanting vista, an endless one, a joyful classroom, an experience, an era of imagination.
Now, I would conclude the assembly by inviting Dev to recite National Anthem. So, I would request all of you to stand in attention as a mark of respect for our nation.